a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with the gorgeous Ali Martinez, and we are going to be doing a photo shoot. We're going to be theming it like a Sports Illustrated photo shoot, so I'm just going to bring you guys along and show you guys how I do what I do. So I think here you can pose in front of it. You can also like hold onto it and hang off of it, whatever. Whatever you're feeling. Yes, that's beautiful. So here I'm shooting at ISO 400, f4.0, and 1/3200th of a second. So for this shoot, I shot at ISO 400 because it was a little bit cloudy outside, and I shot at f4.0 so that way my model's fully in focus and the background is a little bit blurred. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Yeah, I love the lean on it. Like, interact with it as much as you can. It's just, yeah. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to. I like this green too, so let's incorporate that. When directing my models, I feel like less is more. I like to give my models a little bit of direction when posing, but I don't like to tell them exactly what to do because I want everything to come across very naturally. Face, keep your face kind of more towards the sun. Yeah, we're getting sun. Yay. Put your feet out maybe towards the water for a few. It doesn't have to be fully, but like that side, yeah, that's nice. Yeah, gorgeous. So sometimes when I shoot, I will try one angle, and then as the model moves, I'll just move with her and I'll try different angles to see kind of what I like the best. You're never gonna get the perfect shot the first time, so don't be insecure about it. Just keep shooting, keep trying different things until you find something that you like. So I changed my lens to my 70-200 because I'd like to get some more closer up portrait style shots, and I'd also like to blur the background a little bit more. So right now I'm shooting at f2.8, ISO 400, and 1/2000th of a second. So gorgeous. Ali and her mom always style the shoots, and they do such an amazing job, so I just sit here and let them do everything. Gorgeous. Love. Okay, I'm zooming in, so you don't have to worry about your feet. Beautiful, Ali. I love. Maybe pull on the knot a little bit. Yeah. Kind of let it go. On windy days like this, I recommend working with the wind rather than trying to fight it. Sometimes the wind can actually add another element that makes your photo more interesting by adding movement in the hair. Beautiful. And maybe play with the knot, yeah. Maybe you stay where you're at. I'm just gonna zoom in and get different tight crops of different things. And I think keep moving how you are because it's looking great and really natural and beautiful, yeah. And really pop a hip out to the side. Yeah, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Oh, I love this vibe. Come out more next to it as opposed to behind it. Yeah, perfect. So that way your arm's not forward, it's more to the side. When someone's posing with their arm out to the side, you want to make sure it's fully out to the side and not forward because it could shorten their arm. I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind. Yeah, it's easing up a little bit, and the light's getting really nice too. You could hold your hair up in a ponytail maybe. Yeah. Beautiful. Gorgeous. You want me to count down for you for your eyes? All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. If your model has sensitive eyes and the sun is really bright, you'll need to work with her to get the shot. So it can be helpful to frame the shot and count down for them to open their eyes. I'm seeing if I can get the full thing without my shadow. Hold on. With your leg in it. Yeah.
No saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night.
These are beautiful. Beach shoots can sometimes get a little bit redundant, so it's important to find different elements and different angles to change things up and keep them fresh. Come maybe right here and do it. I want to get a full body shot. Get really long legs. Yeah, gorgeous. Maybe actually come in the middle of those two just so it doesn't cut into your legs. Yeah. Yeah.
But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight.
So here I'm going to get a really low angle, so I'm popping the screen out so that I can get my camera super low without having to bend over as much. Beautiful. I love. Even like pulling the strap down and like tugging on it a bit. Pulling it up. Yeah, love. Gorgeous, Allie. Yes, these are so good. Love these, Allie.
Here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had.
For every shoot that I do, I like to give a little bit of variety for each look. I like to change up either the lighting, the background, or the posing to have multiple options for the client. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. I hope that you learned something valuable. And like and subscribe to my channel. And I will link the beautiful Allie Martinez's Instagram profile in the description down below so you can check her out as well.